Next trick we're going to work on is called a looping arm wrap. What you're actually doing is loops with one hand, and you're wrapping the yo-yo around your other hand as you're doing it and then unwrapping it. The trick itself looks like this. You start with two-handed loops, and watch now. I'm going to take my throw hand, comes and swings up and around, and then back into loops just like that. What's actually happening is you're throwing it around the world. The yo-yo comes around your hand, makes a wrap, and then you unwrap it back into loops. From this side, if you'll notice what happens is I throw it around the world. I swing this up over my arm. It's going to come on the inside. So if you're looking down it's to the left. If you're throwing with your right hand, comes right on the inside towards your body. Your other throw hand comes under the hand, up and over, unwraps, and then you shoot it back into loops. One more time. Swings up, over, out, and catch like that. Just to practice that motion. This is a really good thing just to practice. Like so. This is a normal arm wrap. So we can get this down. Then what you want to do is, while you're doing the looping motion, just practice with and around the world. Practice coming around, unwrapping, unwrapping, and then catching just like that. Eventually you'll be able to do loops with both hands and shoot it around like so. Let me show you one more time what it looks like. Two-handed loops, the string comes over, wraps and unwraps like so. And that's an arm wrap.